As a professional service provider of clean rooms, Suzhou Pharma Machinery has successfully delivered 500 turnkey clean room projects, covering various core industries such as electronics, medicine, food, and laboratories. From the initial demand research, scheme design, cleanliness level planning, to the mid-stage construction setup, equipment installation, including core equipment like air conditioning purification systems, ventilation dust removal systems, and sterile isolation devices, as well as the final stage of commissioning and testing. We always provide a full process, one-stop service, enabling customers to achieve the efficient implementation of clean spaces with ease, time and effort saved. We ensure that each project meets or even exceeds the expectations of our clients.